people, it's your boy Ghost, Off Track TV, and today we'll be answering a question that's been asked a good couple of times on this channel, and it's all about my Quadlock motorcycle mount. I think the last person to ask was RJ. He actually asked if I could do a video on it specifically, so that's what we'll be doing. So this won't be a long video. We'll just get to the location real quick and I'll see you there. Okay, so the Quadlock motorcycle mount, it's a decent little mount. I'll say more than decent. You could crash this bike, you could dump this bike, I could drive this bike off this fucking rooftop here and this would still be here. I swear by this. This is sick. I've never had a problem with it. It doesn't move once it's on there. It's great. But the one problem that RJ was facing was that with the new LXR, I believe he couldn't get it on there. So what we'll do, we'll take it apart and we'll put it back on. Yeah, simple as that. BRB. Okay, so how it comes is in 3 separate pieces, right? There's the main part, which actually latches onto the handlebar. There's this part that connects to your phone, and then there's a little arm for it, right? This part is the real part that you need to worry about. This, I believe, is the part that you're mostly having trouble with, RJ, and it's real simple actually. I'll also link you an unboxing so you can see exactly what you get in the box. It'll probably be up here or there or somewhere. So this part that actually attaches to your handlebar, it comes in 3 different parts: the top part, the bottom part, and this little spacer, right? This is very important because this, obviously we know that handlebars come in all shapes and sizes, so I think there's 3 of these, 1 that comes inside it and 2 that come inside the box. Again, you'll see it in the little unboxing that I link. Find the one that best fits your handlebar, like so. I always keep mine on the left. Oh, this one's 22mm. It even says, just so it helps you out here, I don't know if you can see that, 22mm right there. So like I was saying, you find the one that fits best for your bike. I always put the bottom part on first, swing it around this side because it won't go around on that side because of the little clutch. So yeah, swing it around like this, put that on top just like that. As you can see, mine fits quite nicely with that little spacer in there. Without that spacer, it would be very loose. Inside the box also comes with a nice little Allen key right here. Of course, it fits perfectly. What you got to do then is screw this in. It's pretty damn simple. Just like that. Number 1, number 2. Get that nice and tight so that ain't going nowhere. The next part is the arm. Now the arm is just as simple as doing this. Put it on here, and this is the adjustable part. We all love adjustable stuff, so we can put it exactly where we need it to go. Boom. Just like that, nice and tight. Now that ain't going nowhere. Nope, not at all. And then last but not least, this again. When you put this on, you can move it a little bit just so you can get it perfectly where you need it. Now remember to put your handlebars straight, otherwise when you put it on, it might not be exactly where you want it to be. And now we can move it exactly where you want it. Tie it down pretty nicely. Get a nice Quadlock case which has got a little recess so it fits in there, and boom, just like that. It's a little bit wonky, I've got to re-see it just a tiny bit, but basically that is literally it. It's as simple as that, honestly. RJ, this video is for you. If you find that it still doesn't fit after that and you've used all of these spacers, then you might want to look into a fork stem mount that would go right here. If you don't know how to do this yourself, well, I wouldn't do it myself, just in case I misalign these. Take it to your mechanic and they'll do it. What else? Also, I would suggest getting the little dampener if you go for this, because these without the dampener tend to kill your camera because of all the vibrations. Mine is fine, I haven't had that problem so far, but I am going to invest in one next month, funny enough. So yeah, that's the video, that's it, man. RJ, I'm sorry, bro. This video was meant to come out on Monday, but my SD card corrupted, and well, yeah, sometimes things just happen, man. I'm so sorry. This will be out this morning just for you, bro. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I've been your boy Ghost. I'm out. It's like a lot of swears. Let's go for a cheeky one. I need to come in more often, do videos here more often, man, honestly. Shut up.